coming together on stock height in the front. Island pretty good. Well, never had a problem with the island. So these cars get by. So it's coming together a lot more better. Well, this is what it looks like when it's out. Took the old system out. The adjustable parts that he was talking about in the previous video did not allow it to come down. It needed to be welded in a spot where it's facing downwards, I believe, to really gain control of it. Because you put this screw into here, turn this screw right here, that will bring it up. Well, it was at its lowest position. So, yeah. I could have gotten a little bit more out of this, but it wouldn't have came down to where I wanted it to be. Now that I look at it, but you know, yeah, making it happen. But yeah, the new front's on there now, so we gotta look over this to make sure there's nothing I want to keep off of it. I'm gonna take it down to the junkyard and tell Mike, hey, where you want me to drop this metal at? It's good for some metal, no good for me though. It just be in my way. Gotta go. Well, for those who don't know, I'm not gonna go into a big explanation about how to lower a Volkswagen, but the front required me to switch out the whole front suspension because it was the wrong suspension. It was set up for a Baja Bug, and the back required some movement of some bars and moving some torsion stuff. But now we are sitting level, not sky high riding like we were before. So it's coming along slowly but surely. We're getting it in. Just got these in. New hubcaps, new emblem for the hood. Yeah, we're gonna get those. What do we get next? Oh, get them trim pieces that go around the rim, the beauty ring, I guess, like they have it on Chevy stuff. Get that next, so it'll be all good. Today's project: get this double tint off these windows. These windows are double tinted. Even the front windshield is double tinted. Hard to see it in the pictures, but I've got this side, that clear. See, that's darker. You can kind of see the difference in the colors right there. So that's today's goal, is untint the windows so we can see clearly out the car, which is a good look when you can see clearly out the car, and clean the windows on top of that. So yeah, I got a new front window already came in. I might think I'll have that professionally installed. I don't want to risk breaking that, so we'll go from there. But so you can see it right here. See, get that tint up out of there. So yeah, windshield's cracked bad, and we're gonna get you a new windshield in. Got one online. He's getting it ready, and get that straight. Got the tint removed off all the windows except for the other one. So it's a work in progress. Working it around. We're at High Tech Auto Glass up in Redwood City, and we are making it happen. go. New windshield going in. You got techniques. I see the technique going down. Okay. Oh yeah, I can see clearly now. That's how it was seen. See, I have a distorted view. Now we got a clearer view out of a new windshield. Yes, sir. Out here riding in Redwood City on Broadway. With no problems at all. Just cruising down the street in my 1970 Volkswagen. Uh-oh, what we got here? Okay. And he rides great on the freeway too. A little bumpy at times, but to be expected for an older vehicle. Let me see here. First gear, and we out. Second gear, coming into a curve, one arming it. Bust the third. And the speedo is working. Fourth. Easy peasy. Gotta take that steering wheel off, put it back on in the correct way. But that's no problem. Let's get out here in traffic. Back and forth. I should never threw the radio away. Now I got an air draft coming in, but it's okay. Let's put the foot on it. Fourth gear. Highway speeds, pretty good. Well, let's see how quiet it is in the cabin with the windows rolled up. It's pretty quiet in here. I got new door seals coming next, so stay tuned. Money Stereo Renovations. Oh yeah, also we got new windshield wipers installed also. I bought some of those. And wait a second. Pretty tight. Okay, yeah. So next mission is take this one out or fix the lock. I'm gonna do one of them first. Probably fix this, take this one out, replace this one, or see if I can get the window lock mechanism to work on this one. If I can't, we taking this whole one out, put another one in its place, and we need to fix the lock on this right here, make this work correctly. Moving on, projects, forward momentum.
Already know what I'm finna say. Boy, some bitches out here pussy made of gold. Boy, some bitches out here who pussy got that. You be like, oh shit, what the fuck, bitch? I'll kill you. You try to get the fuck away from me. Ain't lying now. Nigga. Ain't lying, I'm with you. Nigga. If you ain't never been caught up on a rotten, dirty bitch, that's a blessing. Boy, I got bitches right now that still ride past their house at night. I done seen them walk in the house with the nigga they fucking that night and cried down the block for about an hour.
But was it with the boss's wife?
I don't give a fuck who it was, boy. I didn't have about 3 bitches out here in this world. That pussy was so platinum. I was like, sometimes I wake up, I'll be like, oh, dude, no, no, no.